Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about innovation of 3D modeling. And the presentation is going to be divided into 4 sections. What is 3D modeling about? And the business model innovation of 3D modeling, and 3D software business model, and 1 case study of AutoCAD desk company. So what is 3D modeling and what's it used for? 3D modeling is a technique in computer graphics for producing a 3D digital representation of any object or surface. 3D models are used for a variety of mediums, including video games, movies, architecture, illustration, engineering, and commercial advertising. And in this presentation, we are going to focus on architecture industry. 3D model was created by Martin Noel of his famous Utah teapot in 1975, and nowadays are widely used in 3D graphics and AutoCAD. The 2 pictures on the page are showing that 2-dimensional drawings, drafts, and designs have been moving into 3D visualizations. We are living in a 3-dimensional world, and software and digital representations that mirror our world, allowing humans to better visualize buildings and designs before they are built. Architecture and construction firms that solely use 2D representations are relying on outdated methods. The use of 3D models affects many aspects of a firm's work and its relationship with clients, including project cost, communication, and bid creation. All of that has a significant impact on a project's time and cost. Business model literature has not yet reached a common sense as to which components exactly make up a business model. But there are 4 central dimensions to describe the business model: the who, the what, the how, and the value, which means you need to know who is the target customer and what do you offer to the customer. How do you generate revenue and how do you create value proposition? So why business model innovation is so important? It's because business model innovation allows companies to stay in the game by adapting to changes in their environment, and allows companies to escape cutthroat competition by changing the rules of the game. And also, business model innovation allows to capture the value of technology or product innovation. And now, let's talk about the business model innovation in 3D modeling. First of all, what do you offer to the customer? It's 3D design software and online community infrastructure. And who is the target customer? They are architects, engineers, digital designers, and so on. And how is value proposition created? It's by long-term subscription or one-time purchase. Lastly, how is revenue created? The revenue created by gaining users and increased revenue by paid or subscription license. Creating a business model of a 3D software company involves a combination of the following characteristics: distribution approach, source coding licensing, revenue streams, business model interaction, and business to business or business to consumer market. While the first most important business model characteristic is a distribution approach that a company uses to provide services or create products for customers. And there are 3 main distribution approaches that can be used: on-premise, cloud, and hybrid. And based on licensing of source code, the company creates the software may be proprietary or open source code. A software revenue stream defines the way a company is paid for its products and services. A business model can make use of one or several revenue streams. For instance, software product revenue streams can include ad revenue, sales, subscriptions, and their combinations. Software companies inevitably choose between two types of business model interactions while forming its business model. It can take a form of one-to-many or many-to-many. One-to-many is traditional value delivery, when a provider directly solves customer problems. And many-to-many implies that a company creates a platform where both end providers and customers meet. Eventually, a company must choose the target audience that it sells products or services to, which would lead to the company taking the business-to-business or the business-to-consumer approach. Business-to-business means that companies sell services to other businesses, and business-to-consumer means selling a product or service directly to a consumer. And here comes a case study of Autodesk company. Autodesk is a leader in 3D software. The company was founded in 1982 by John Walker. The company continues to develop the broadest portfolio of 3D software for global markets. Autodesk has a niche market business model with a specialized customer segment. The company targets its offerings at design professionals, primarily those in the architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, digital media, consumer, and entertainment industries. The company offers 4 primary value propositions, which are accessibility, cost reduction, performance, and brand status. The company creates accessibility by offering a wide variety of options. It has acquired numerous firms, adding several new capabilities to its portfolio. Autodesk reduces cost by offering several types of free trials for potential customers. This includes free suite trials, free CAD software trials, and free animation software trials. Autodesk customer relationship is primarily of a personal assistance nature. The company assists customers in the following ways: support services, training services, and consulting services. Beside the orientation, there is a self-service component. The company's website features various self-help resources including online classes, articles, tutorials, and answers to frequently asked questions. There is also a community element in the form of forums where clients can interact. Autodesk maintains consulting system integrator partners, resellers, strategic partners, such as architecture, engineering, and construction partners. And Autodesk has a value-driven cost structure, which is aiming to provide a premium proposition through significant service and frequent product enhancements. The biggest cost driver is marketing, which is a fixed cost. And other major drivers are in the areas of research development, a fixed cost, and cost of revenues. Lastly, Autodesk has 2 revenue streams, license and subscription. And that's all about the innovation of 3D modeling. Thank you for watching.